when I did love, methought it was very sweet to contract, oh, the time for, oh, my beove, methought there was nothing meet. But age with his stealing steps hath clawed me in his clutch.
Whose grave's this, sirrah?
Mine, sir.
I think it be thine indeed, for thou liest in it.
You lie out on, sir, therefore it is not yours. For my part, I do not lie in't, and yet it is mine.
Thou dost lie in't to be in't and say it is thine. 'Tis the dead, not the quick. Therefore thou liest.
'Tis a quick lie, sir, till away again from me to you.
What man dost thou dig it for?
A no man, sir.
Of what woman, then?
A none neither.
Who is to be buried in it?
One that was a woman, sir, but rest her soul, she's dead.
How absolute the knave is. We must speak by the card, or equivocation will undo us. How long hast thou been grave maker?
Of all the days in the year, I came to it that day that our last King Hamlet all came fought in brass.
How long is that since?
Cannot you tell that? Every fool can tell that. It was the very day that young Hamlet was born. He that is mad and sent into England.
Aye, mad. Why was he sent into England?
Why? Because he was mad. He shall recover his wits there. Or if he do not, 'tis no great matter there.
Why?
Shall not be seen in him there. There the men are as mad as he.
How came he mad?
Very strangely, they say.
How strangely?
Faith, e'en by losing his wits.
Upon what ground?
Why, here in Denmark.
How long will a man lie in the earth ere he rots?
In faith, if he be not rotten before he die, he will last some 8 year, 9 year. A tanner will last you 9 year.
Why he more than another?
Why, sir? His hide is so tanned with his trade, he will keep out water a great while. And your water's a sore declare of your horse and dead body. Here, here's a skull now. This skull hath lain in the earth 23 year.
Whose was it?
Horse and mad fellas it was. Who do you think it was?
I know not.
A pestilence on him for a mad rogue. He poured a flagon of Rhenish on me head once. This same skull, sir, was Yorick's skull, the king's jester.
This?
In that.
Let me see. Alas, poor Yorick. I knew him, Horatio. A fellow of infinite jest, of most excellent fancy. He hath borne me on his back 1,000 times. And now how abhorred in my imagination it is, my gorge rises it. Here hung those lips that I have kissed I know not how oft. Where be your jibes now? Your songs, your gambols, your flashes of merriment that were wont to set the table on a roar. Not one now to mock your own grinning, quite chop-fallen. Now get you to my lady's chamber. Tell her, let her paint an inch thick. To this favor she must come. Make her laugh at that.